di magpapahuli pag may bagong laban.
Ngayong 2025, lalong umiinit ang banggaan sa Super Bantamweight Division. Ang division na ngayon ay pinaghaharian ng monster na si Naoya Inoue, kung saan 4 na Pinoy ang pumasok sa top 10 rankings. Rank number 1, si Carl James Martin. Number 4, si Marlon Tapalis. Number 6, si Jerwin Angcajas. At number 7 naman, si John Riel Casimero. Pero sa likod ng korona ng Hapon, 2 Pinoy ang ngayon ay nagbabanggaan para sa atensyon ng buong mundo. Walang iba kundi si John Riel Cuadro Alas Casimero. May 34 na panalo, 23 dito ay tinapos niya sa knockouts, isang 3 division world champion. At ang batang leon na wala pang talo, si Carl James Wonderboy Marty. May 25 panalo, walang talo, at 20 dito ay tinapos niya sa knockouts at kilala bilang isang knockout artist sa bagong henerasyon. Naging mainit ang tensyon ng dalawa sa social media kung saan nagpapalitan sila ng mga mabibigat na salita. Dito nagsimula ang pagkakahati ng opinyon ng mga Pinoy fans. Lalong uminit ang isyu ng pabagsakin ni Martin, ang Mexicanong si Ruben Tostado. At diretsahang binanggit si Casimero bilang kanyang susunod na target. Pero ang tanong, handa na ba si Carl James Martin harapin ang isang veterano at bangis ng Cuadro Alas?
He's a man that hits really hard.
Kahit pa si Martin ay isang undefeated at nagmula pa sa 3 magkasunod na panalo kontra sa mga Mexican boxers, maraming mga Pinoy fans ang hindi kumbensido dito at sinabing mga magtataho lang ang kanyang mga nakakalaban. Para maliwanagan tayo kung gaano ba kalakas si Martin, panoorin natin ang kanyang laban kontra sa future world champion ng Thailand, si Chaiwat Buathkrathok. Dito, nakataya ang WBO Global Super Bantamweight title, ang belt na dati hawak ni Casimero matapos niyang talunin si Philippus Ngitumba. Si Buathkrathok ay may kartadang 40 panalo at 26 dito ay tinapos niya sa knockouts. At minsan ding pinahirapan ng Pinoy World Champ na si Milan Melindo, isang matigas at batak na boksingero mula Thailand. Round 1 pa lang, bakbakan agad. Walang atrasan, palitan ng mabibigat na suntok si Martin at Buathkrathok.
He's wearing the yellow and black for this bout.
Carl James Martin entered the ring with his entourage, composed of elders, our elders in Ifugao, counselors. Wag po nating imaka, yung mga mangunang magmak dyan.
Yes.
That is a very for sure. Okay, quickly. It's important, partner. This is patience. Pacing is important.
James Martin is trying to size up Buathkrathok. Baga sinasabi sa Filipino teaser from Thailand.
So Thailander. Both are known for their warrior mentality.
Tuloy ang aksyon dito sa ikalawang round kung saan nagpakita ng tibay itong dalawang boxers.
Carl James Martin could beat you in 2 ways. He could beat you by points, and he has the power to deliver that knockout.
Exactly. And of course, Carl has been constantly evolving. There you are. And a body shot from Carl.
Siguro yung fruit of to deliver that knockout.
Exactly. And of course, Carl has been constantly evolving. There you have it, is double and nasumusuporta kay
Carl James Martin. Hindi mo matatawaran yung heart na time, pero wala siyang schedule na fight.
Sa round 3, sunod-sunod ang solidong banat ni Martin ang tumama. Pero matibay ang Thai, di matinag.
EQ in a 12-round bout.
Si Chaiwat Buathkrathok, marami nang nakalaban. He has a lot of fight. Medyo makuha ang world title.
That counter of Buathkrathok is very deadly, partner.
For
Nakita
sure.
natin yung how solid that right of Buathkrathok. Pero Martin countered with a lot of combination on that instances.
That's what Carl James Martin also does. He counters with volume. Oh, Buathkrathok that leaping left hook.
Ng game plan ngayon ni Chad White Butatok. A nice uppercut by Carl Lamas Martin. Oh!
And the fight is heating up.
May mga boxer dyan ayun.
Wala nang pupulaos pa dito.
Oh, that upper and then hook up top landed for Carl Lamas Martin.
Meron nag-comment, parang pinagpaglang daw ng Thailander. So, matibay kasi yung Thailander na to.
That lead left.
Yeah, Butatok also.
Again, you're calling a real fight.
Just take it out for the W.
Correct for in Thailand.
To the face of Carl Lamas Martin.
I mean, yung mga ranking na yan, I will have to watch it for the next
Round 5, parang punching bag na ang Thai fighter. Pero nakatayo pa rin, ito at talagang nagpakita ng tapang.
But what? With that high guard, just absorbs that punch and counters.
But that is a scoring punch. 4 to 5 punch combination is a scoring.
As long as it lands.
Yes.
Touch to land, no? If it touches the arms or the gloves, although it doesn't land, it has the ability to weaken you. Nakakapagod yung partner kaya nung matamaan ka sa braso. Kahit pag ka-protect ka, pag natatamaan ka pa ulit-ulit, katulon yun.
Now Carl Lamas Martin is testing the body of Butatok. And yes, an uppercut to the body. Yung activity ng Carl Lamas Martin, yung dami ng bato. Napapansin mo,
Oh, wow!
I think Martin is smelling blood right now.
Smelling that blood. It right there as he was getting out.
Oh, that body really hurts Butatok.
Answers with consecutive right hooks, both to the head and the body.
Oh, that left upper. Wow!
Oh, wow! Martin with that uppercut. Certainly hurt Butatok. And he senses blood in the water, partner. Oh, wow!
I think Martin is smelling blood right now.
Those punches and he's still standing, partner. Counters with...
Oh, a little rubber legs for Butatok right now.
Hanggang sa huling segundo ng round, naalog si Buat Kratok sa suntok ni Martin. Pero inabot pa ito ng bell.
Oh, wow! Another punch that...
At sa round 6, mula sa malakas na kombinasyon ni Martin. At boom! Bagsak ang Thai champion. Tumayo pa ito, pero halatang groggy at lutang na ang sarili. Kaya dito na tinapos ng referee ang laban. At si Carl James Martin ang nanalo via technical knockout. Sa panalong yon, tuluyang nasungkit ni Wonderboy ang WBO Global Title, isang sinturong dati ng hawag ni Casimero. Ngayon ang tanong, sapat na ba ang ipinakita ni Carl James Martin para harapin at talunin si Cuadro Alas? Pag-usapan natin yan sa baba, basahin ko yung isa't isa.
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ni bakbakan, balita niya at laban. Mga Pinoy na di nagpapagapi. Salamat sa mga suporta na lagi nandyan.